guys, welcome back. So as you can see right here, I got my FabFitFun box for spring 2023 and I am so excited to open this box. I waited 3 weeks from it saying shipped. I was already like, did I get lost? So let's go ahead and get into the items that I picked. I am so excited. This is the first time I'm actually doing a live unboxing because I have not seen anything in here. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in it. So of course it always comes with these little papers that, you know, everybody just tosses. But it does have like a cool like scratch off. I might actually do that because it looks like fun. You guys can even see that. There we go. So let's go ahead and see. Okay. The first thing that's in there is this guy. So I picked out the blanket. It's in rose, summer rose, which I actually want to keep in the car. And it is it feels like a towel blanket, honestly. I don't feel like I could really show you guys in just like this video what it looks like, but it is a round like floor towel that you could put like if you go to the beach or you're going to picnic, you go to the park. I thought it will be very handy since my munchkin is now big enough to like walk and run and enjoy outdoors more. So I'm so excited that I picked this out. Next item I picked was the Dream Routine Overnight Hydrating Treatment. I think this was one of the ones that I didn't know what to pick, so I just picked whichever. For hair, so that's why I picked it, because this hair needs help. So yeah, this is for the hair, and it is from the brand Amica. So hopefully this will work out because my hair has been really dry lately. And the next thing I picked was the Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask. This reminds me of Laneige when I saw it on the website, so I picked it out. I would probably put it next to my bed so that, you know, these lips will be nice and hydrated in the morning. And I believe this is like a scent that is for like their birthday because it is, I believe, their 10-year birthday or something like that. So excited for this. And it is the Tula Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops Vitamin C. I really wanted to try this because I love vitamin C, mostly in the summertime because I do get really dry patches all over my face. So I am dry patches and I get like discoloration. So I'm so excited to try this guy out. I don't even know what this is. It's a lunch pack. So let's open it. So I do make my husband's lunch, so maybe this will be something that I use for him. It's actually kind of cute. Or I could put some snacks in there for my munchkin as well. Like if we go to the zoo or something and just kind of like close it up. Wait, let me close this bag up. But that's cool. I like how it like closes though. Just like store it away. All right, the next thing I want to say, this is the plate set that I got. Yeah, the lunch box set. This was so hard to pick things. I didn't want to pick things that I wanted to kind of explore and see what else I can get other than like the basics. So I got this guy. Again, like you could go downtown or something. My daughter does like fruits and stuff like that. So I thought something like this would be really cute. So it kind of touches here. All right, let's open you up. Oh, yeah. So it comes with a spoon, a fork, a knife, and some chopsticks, which I thought is even a cuter touch. Can't open anything today. Okay, there you go. And then it is the plate down there. There's a plate inside of a plate, which is really cute. I don't have anything like this, so I thought it'd be really cute. I wish it had different colors so I could pack something like this for my husband. And I still packed it like this, he don't care. But it would have been cute if it was like, you know, a different color. But yeah, this guy. The last thing in my box is some Kate Spade sunglasses. I thought they would come in a cuter case, but it's okay. I'm not really a huge sunglass person. I have some Desi's, and that's pretty much it. I'm not a huge spender when it comes to that. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, these are cute. Let me go ahead and get them. And I got these. I'm ready for summer. Okay, these are really cute. I like. Do you like? Because I like. They're so cute. I dirtied them already with makeup. All right, so that is it for my FabFitFun box for spring. I do have a couple of free sample boxes if you guys want to try them out. It is technically speaking free, but you do have to pay $5 for shipping. I will go ahead and put your email down so they can send you a free starter box. Again, you do have to pay $5 for shipping though. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.